Greetings everybody, this is Dave Matuzik from MacDac Engineering, and I'm going to show you another Mastercam tech tip. I've been programming this part here on a tombstone and things are looking pretty good, and I'm going to go to verify it right now. And when I go to verify it, at least by default, I don't see any fixturing. And now in Mastercam X9 I can bring fixtures into my verify to help me check for collisions or crashes or anything like that. So it's a good idea to do that if you have the fixture already drawn up and that's something you might be worried about. Now, in order to do that, I need to have my fixture all on one Mastercam level. So right here, this is a part that I brought in from SolidWorks, and it's an assembly. So what happens when you bring an assembly in from SolidWorks, Mastercam puts each solid body on its own level. So what I need to do is to take this and combine them all into one level. So I want to show you some tricks inside the level manager. So one thing I'm going to do here is I don't know what level the actual parts are on because I just have these all named here, tombstone with vice. So what I'm going to do here is show you this button here. I already did it once for one of these here. I'm going to click here on the select button and pick a solid, and I know that level has a part on it. And I'll hit the selection button again and I'll rotate around. And I'll hit my select button here again and rotate around. I know I have 4 parts, so I know I only have to do this 4 times. Okay, so that picked that, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go back in here. Now one thing a lot of people don't know, if you have dual monitors, you can leave this level manager open all the time out on your other manager. Out on your other monitor. I don't have dual monitors right here for the purposes of this video here, so I'm just going to open and close it a lot, but I could leave it open. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to put everything that's that tombstone or that fixture on one level. So I'm going to make a level here, call it 100, and I might call it fixtures. And what I want to do is get all those parts that are that fixture on that level that I just made. So pretty simple here. I'm just going to turn off the parts because I want those to be separate. So I have everything now turned on except those parts. And what I'm going to do here is just say select all my entities. So a little trick for you, one of the many ways to select all your entities. If I have nothing selected, I'll hit my invert button. Selects everything on my screen because the inverse of nothing is everything. And I'm going to right click. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to move that all to my main level, which is 100. I'll hit OK. And I'll go down here to my level manager, and what you can see here is if I turn that level on and off, it turns the fixture on and off. So what I'm going to do is make this my main level, and now I have all these levels in here with no entities on them. So here's another neat little trick here. I'm going to right click, hit this button here that says purge all empty levels. And give it a second to update, and I'll just scroll up here. So all the levels that had nothing on them, they had names but they had no geometry, have just been purged out of that list. So I don't have 75 empty levels for me to have to go look at. So what I'm going to show you in the next video I'm going to do is how I'm going to bring this into my verify in order to verify with the fixture turned on.